Hi folks, I'm here with my 2003 Ford Thunderbird. This is one of the James Bond limited edition Thunderbirds. Today I am replacing the fuel injection pressure regulator sensor. I was getting readings of 75 psi, and that is about twice what it should be on the fuel injection rail in this car. I'm walking up and showing you where that sensor is. It's on the front side, and it is right down in here with my finger. This happens to be a new sensor, and this is exactly how it will mount. That's the sensor part. There's a vacuum connection on the side and a wire on top. There are two 5/16 screws, one on the front right there and one on the opposite side. This is a relatively easy job to perform. My car had been limping or hesitant or acting like it was misfiring. From all the research that I've done, the 75 psi reading on the fuel rail is just way too high, and it's an indication of this fuel injection pressure regulator sensor that I didn't even know was on the car. Anyway, I'm gonna get the job done. If I post no more videos, that must have been the cause or the root cause here. Thank you and good day.